Welcome to Auto Trends Today, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automotive news, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and performance-oriented cars of recent years, the Honda NSX Type S. The NSX Type S is a special edition of Honda's iconic NSX, a supercar that has been a symbol of innovation and engineering excellence since its debut in 1990. Honda's engineers took everything that made the NSX great and fine-tuned it even further for the Type S variant, offering a car that's not just about power, but also precision and driving experience. Under the hood, the NSX Type S is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with 3 electric motors, combining for a total of 537 horsepower and 406 pounds-feet of torque. This hybrid setup provides exceptional acceleration, with the NSX Type S capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.9 seconds. The inclusion of the electric motors adds an extra layer of smoothness and efficiency, while still delivering that raw, thrilling performance. Honda didn't just focus on the engine. The NSX Type S also boasts a reworked chassis and suspension for better handling and cornering capabilities. It features a new set of adaptive dampers, which allow for more precise tuning of ride comfort and handling response, giving the driver a more connected experience to the road. This is paired with an upgraded braking system, providing improved stopping power, crucial for a car of this caliber. One of the standout features of the NSX Type S is its advanced all-wheel drive system, which uses Honda's SHWD, Super Handling All-Wheel Drive, technology. This allows the NSX to have incredible stability and traction, even when pushing the car to its limits. The power distribution between the front and rear axles is dynamically adjusted to ensure the car is always in control, no matter the driving conditions. Aesthetically, the NSX Type S is as striking as its performance. It comes with a unique set of wheels, a more aggressive front splitter, and carbon fiber accents that give the car a more purposeful and refined look. Honda also offers a variety of striking colors for the NSX Type S, including the exclusive thermal orange pearl, which really makes this car stand out on the road. Inside, the NSX Type S features a driver-focused cockpit, with premium materials like leather and Alcantara. The cabin is designed to offer both luxury and support, with sports seats that provide the right balance of comfort and bolstering during high-performance driving. The infotainment system is intuitive, with modern connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that the driver is always in touch with their world even when enjoying the thrill of the road. Honda's commitment to craftsmanship is evident in every aspect of the NSX Type S, from its hand-assembled V6 engine to its carefully crafted interior. The NSX Type S represents the pinnacle of what Honda can do in terms of performance, technology, and design, and it serves as a fitting farewell to the current generation of the NSX. As production of the NSX Type S comes to a close, this limited edition model will surely become a collector's item in the years to come. That wraps up our deep dive into the Honda NSX Type S. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on more automotive news and reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Trends Today for more content like this.